In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare plan in Gumloop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what you're looking at, and how to decide which option fits your work best. Start by opening your browser and going to Gumloop. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side panel. That sidebar is your navigation hub. Find the pricing option there, then click it to open the full breakdown of plans. On the pricing page, you'll see a headline that makes it clear these plans scale with you. Front and center, look for a section that asks, how many credits do you need per month? Think of credits as a simple way to measure how much you'll use Gumloop. More activity generally means more credits. If you're unsure, start with a conservative estimate based on how often you expect to run your automations or flows each week. You can always adjust later as your usage becomes clearer. Below that, you'll see the plan choices. There's a free option designed for trying things out with limited capacity. It's perfect for exploring the interface and running small tests without commitment. Next is Solo, which suits individual builders who need more room to work and predictable capacity as projects grow. Then there's Team, built for collaborating, sharing resources, and managing usage under one account. As you consider these, focus on the scale of your work today and what you anticipate over the next few months. Choosing a plan that comfortably covers your near-term growth saves time and prevents interruptions. Keep scrolling until you reach the Compare Our Plans area. This is where the details line up side by side, so you can quickly check what each tier includes. Use this table to confirm the practical differences that matter to you, capacity and credits, any collaboration or sharing features, and limits that might affect your day-to-day. If you see a billing toggle for monthly versus yearly, glance at both to understand price and value trade-offs. And if your work is variable, prioritize flexibility over squeezing into the lowest number. Finally, match your estimated monthly credits to the plan that aligns with how you actually work. If you're evaluating, the free plan is a no-pressure start. If you work solo and need more throughput, solo will usually be the comfortable next step. If you coordinate with others, team is the natural fit. With that comparison complete, you're ready to move forward with confidence.